Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to connect an electric valve using a mechanical relay. First, we will connect the mechanical relay to the PIERRE. We start by wiring the GND, followed by the output, which is pin 1. Next, we connect the valve. One wire goes to the neutral, and the other to the mechanical relay normal open terminal. Now we connect the phase to the relay's common terminal. Once the wiring is complete, we power up the system. As you can see, the power and PIERRE lights are on. We proceed by opening the Partner app. We select the Academy controller, then go to the Outputs section. Here, we click on Add and select the valve option. We call it Valve. Next, we assign the Academy role and place it on the Academy dashboard. We choose the pin, and since it's connected to pin 1, we select pin 1. Click Save, then Submit, and done. Now we open the user application. As shown, the valve option is visible. Once we turn it on, the valve gets powered. After a short wait, the valve opens. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next PIERRE Academy tutorial.